so let it be noted. When we started.
10 o'clock, 10:01.
Well, it's gushing pretty darn good.
Yeah, it sure are.
Oh. Maybe it'll help if we go ahead and just grind them and let them sit in there. See?
So what do you do with the mash?
These are all ready to be.
If I had chickens, I'd give them to the chickens.
You've got a garden, you can.
Whose cup was up here? I'm putting it right here.
Oh. What mine?
Okay, well, it's still yours.
All right. I'll show you how we do the trout. Dilute me.
Fine. We won't dilute them.
No, you go there and hold that.
What?
You go hold it.
No, what we're doing,
No, yeah,
we're doing a different method.
way.
Oh.
We're preventing the splatter.
Oh.
So we're not putting it.
We're not just running them in, but
Oh.
we're just loading it and then covering it and then turning it on.
Oh, I did not know that. Well,
Yeah.
And then the smaller containers are a little easier to do that.
It reduces the cleanup. Oh, that's starting to get serious. I didn't think it was supposed to rain.
Amazed at my quick reflex.
You're an expert.
Yeah, I miss going to the polls.
election
Voting polls, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Breaks your heart.
Yeah, the civic duty kind of thing. Now it's all muck and muck.